Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change color background on Samsung Galaxy phone. The first thing you do is tap on your call icon, tap on the three dot at the top right corner, tap on settings, and then you can see the second option, color background. Tap on it, you choose the same you want to change the color background. As you can see, this is the one I'm using right now, so I tap on background and choose the one I want to use. You can also use video. If you want to use video, tap on this. Okay, this is a particular color background. Now see, it's a video actually. So let's say I want to use this. Choose it. If you don't want to use any of this, you can tap on the three dots to delete backgrounds, or you can tap on the plus icon to choose another background if you have another background you'd rather use. Yes, I want to use this. Just tap on set as background. You can also change the layout from like this to like this for your profile picture. Should be in the center by the corner, it depends on you.